Welcome to this tutorial on integrating and including blog posts in WordPress. In this session, you will learn how to access the WordPress platform, log in using your Google account, and add blog posts to your website using the editing tools available on the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the page loads, move your focus to the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Click on the login button to continue with the process. This step helps ensure that you are correctly authenticated and gives you access to the editing features that will soon be available. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several options for signing in. Choose the option that says Continue with Google. This sign-in method is designed to simplify the login process by leveraging your previously established Google account credentials. After selecting Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose one of your Google accounts. Make sure you select the account that is associated with your WordPress website or the one you wish to use for managing your blog posts. Once you have successfully signed into WordPress using your Google account, direct your attention to the quick link section on your dashboard. Here you will find a prominent option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to gain access to the website editing interface, which is where you can start making changes to your website's content and design. This area is designed with ease of use in mind, making it simple to navigate through the various editing options. Now that you are in the site editing mode, locate your website on the dashboard and click on it to begin editing. This action will bring you to the main editing workspace, where you have the tools to change the appearance and content of your website. Once inside the editor, look toward the top left corner of your screen where you will see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to open a search bar that allows you to add new elements to your website. In the search bar that appears, type in the words blog posts. This search function will quickly find the widget or block that is specifically designed for displaying your blog posts. When you see the blog post option pop up, click on it to add it directly to your website layout. This block is highly customizable and allows you to arrange your blog content in the layout that best suits your website's design. After adding the blog post block, you can start editing the content of your blog posts. The editing toolbar, which appears once the block is selected, provides numerous features to customize the appearance, layout, and content of your posts. Adjust the formatting, modify the text, and apply any creative changes you desire using the toolbar options. Once you are satisfied with your edits, finalize your changes by moving your attention to the top right corner of the screen and clicking on the Save button. This action ensures that all your updates are securely stored on the site and will be visible to your visitors. This completes the process of integrating and including blog posts in WordPress. Enjoy tailoring your website to perfectly reflect your content and style.